Hello guys, today we're making something that feels like home. Filipino mackerel in coconut milk. This normally is cooked during rainy seasons. It's rich, comforting, and slightly spicy. Depends on you how much chilies you're gonna put. And the kind of dish that makes steamed rice disappear faster than you plan. In the Philippines, this is cooking coconut milk. Coconut milk is called ginataan. And there's a lot of versions of this in every region. It has its own vegetables, its own level of spice. But the idea is always the same. Uh, Gently simmering in the coconut milk. It's either Tulingan, or it's called bullet mackerel. Tambakol, which is the tuna, and any oily fish will do. And today we're doing it with mackerel. Let's get started. So what you have in the wok is sauteing garlic, onions, and some julienne ginger. So I'm rendering it with the pork. So I got some chilies which I got from my garden. I don't know which kind of chilies are they, but they are very hot. I'm gonna put some black pepper. I would put a lot of black pepper in this. That's a lot. Yeah, keep on doing the stir fry. And now it's time to put our coconut milk. This is one of the best coconut milk you can get in tin. So, I believe it's made in Thailand. It's the Thai product. It's almost like the real thing. I mean, freshly squeezed coconut milk. Coconut milk goes in. We simmer it down. Kinda reduce it. Let's see how I reduce the coconut milk now. Now we're gonna add in our mackerel and let it stew in the sauce. Ayan. There's not much sauce right now, but you're gonna see later when we add in the vegetables, and we're gonna add in now some coconut vinegar. You can get this in your favorite Asian store. Just ask for the coconut vinegar. But if you don't have it, you can use any vinegar you like. malt vinegar, white wine vinegar. Now I got some pak choy in the fridge, so I'll use them. And I got some spinach as well that I got from the garden. Now we add in our pak choy. So as the spinach that I got from the garden. After simmering for 5 minutes, look at that. Look at the sauce now. So all the water that came out from the vegetables, especially pak choy. There's a lot of water in the pak choy. So now imagine the taste of this. So there can be this taste of the chilies, the ginger, the garlic, the coconut milk. I would put lemongrass there if I have, but I don't have. Or some lime leaves. The taste of pak choy is good. Now we try and taste it. So we can adjust the seasoning. We put the fish sauce later on in the end, so it doesn't stink the house. So now we adjust the seasoning and we adjust the vinegar as well. So it should taste like sour, salty, and the taste of the coconut milk. So it's very important that you have a good quality coconut milk, or better yet, use the real one. You can get it in your Asian store. Now I'm putting the fish sauce. Now we're done cooking. I'm gonna plate it. I have a bowl of steamed rice. So it's nice to go with steamed rice. Oops. But the taste of the mackerel is almost the same like the taste of the Tulingan, which is caught in the Philippines. This is perfect for rainy season. So that's it, guys. It's not that hard to cook, but this is very popular in the Philippines. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.